afternoon. My name is Monica. I'll be your phlebotomist. Am I allowed to draw your blood today?
Yes, you are.
Okay, thank you. Can you say your first and last name and date of birth, please?
Essence Wrigley, 090806. Perfect.
Thank you. Can you spell your last name for me?
Ridley.
Thank you very much. Alright. Grab all my stuff. If the gloves will come out, that would be great. Okay, 2. I don't need anything else, right? Okay.
Tape.
It's ER, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Alright, which hand would you prefer to use?
So now as we tourniquet her, I'm gonna have you tourniquet right here. So never right on the wrist, guys, okay? So a little bit above. So you're gonna tourniquet right here and we'll see if anything plumps up, okay? And she'll just kind of keep her hand like that when you're drawing, okay? So we'll see if we can get any blood out of her.
Alright, can you make a fist for me, please?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Oh my goodness, so you do how beautiful.
Out of my arm.
Okay, so yes, see how her veins just popped up? Yeah, and sometimes we just need the tourniquet, but yeah, she has beautiful veins. I don't think you need to mark that or anything because I would just poke right here. Now, sometimes with the hand they do move. So
They move a lot.
Yeah, see, she knows. So you're just gonna anchor and then poke, okay? So you would be anchoring with this hand but you're gonna go right here in this area because that's plump and ready. And you can mark if you want.
Okay.
It's up to you. Yeah.
Okay, I don't need to.
You don't need to. Okay, so we'll take it off. All right, and we'll keep going. You can relax. Yay, I'm gonna record. That's exciting. That's so exciting. Or maybe I'll just have you share with me because you got a good close up there.
Got the point of view.
Yeah, she does. Look at her.
Love you.
You a superstar.
Go home and post it on TikTok.
No, for real.
That's right. That's right. And then do this first before you clean her. I've never had a student that has really good hand veins. This is exciting. Yeah.
You're first.
You
She
are.
added a little twist to it. I'm thinking I'm gonna do her arm.
Yeah. This is great.
Advanced one.
Yeah.
I'm learning new stuff.
You sure are.
Alright, can you make another fist, please?
Yeah, perfect. And so you're gonna hold it. Perfect. Yeah. Wonderful.
Y'all watch, she's gonna do so good.
She is. And you're gonna wanna anchor it below. Yep, there you go. Beautiful. I think you're there, yeah. Now pull back a little bit on this one. Just pull back. Yeah, yeah, there it goes. Yeah, yep, right there. Yep, sometimes with the hand we go through, so she just pulled back a little bit and it's there. See? Good job. Yeah, we can.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that should be good.
Okay.
Tourniquet first. Yep.
There
you
go.
Yeah, lock your needle. Yeah. Great
Good
job.
job.
And not too bad?
No.
No, okay, yeah, she knew. Yeah, great job.
Could
Oh
you
my
still feel with the
goodness.
needle still poking, like your veins?
Yeah,
poking
you
out?
feel it more than
Oh.
when it's in your arm. You can feel it like moving around. So if they miss at the hospital and they move it around to put it back in there, yeah, you feel it.
It
You can feel it, and you
hurts,
can watch it
hurts.
move.
Oh, yeah, and with the hand veins, they're so thin, you know. So I think it went through a little bit because I could see the flash,
And that's usually what it
and that's what it is. So that's why I said pull